That's a pressure switch. So a pressure switch is a lot cheaper than a transducer. It's a lot simpler. What it does, it's the same idea. It's measuring the airstream. But what you do on this is you set threshold on it. So there's a little switch on there and you'd say like, right, 200 pascals. When I get there, click on. So it's like an on-off component, you'd call it a switch. What it does is it sends an input, a signal to our controller just to say your filter's dirty, for example. It doesn't have the same knowledge as like a sensor. A pressure sensor is actually measuring the exact pressure reading at every stage of the filter getting dirty. The benefit of that is a pressure sensor can give you multiple signals back to the controls, not just one. Whereas a pressure switch is it's like a thermostat at home. I want this temperature, when you get there, turn off. I want this pressure, when you get there, send me a signal. A pressure switch is what we would usually use on a fan. So we would usually, with a standard air handling unit, we have a fan, which is this blue thing here. We provide a pressure switch. And what that would do is that would be a safety function to make sure the fan's running. And it'll be basically making sure that there's a certain pressure difference between the one side of the fan and the other. If it reads there isn't, it's saying the fan's not running. That acts as a kind of an easy alarm signal back to the controls.